Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct prescription and lens orientation. This prevents discomfort and blurry vision later. Once done, wash hands thoroughly and dry on a lint-free towel so no particles transfer to the lens. Make sure the mirror sits at a 30-45 degrees angle and lighting is even. Good visibility speeds the process. Place the lens on your index fingertip with the edges up, then steady your other hand to hold the eyelid open. Doing this first reduces blinking and helps bring the lens close while you hold the lids apart. You want a controlled, steady motion rather than a fast jolt. Once the lens contacts the cornea, release the lids slowly and blink. This naturally centers the lens and removes tiny air bubbles. If you wear a toric lens, check axis alignment by looking at a fixed point and, if needed, nudge the lens with a damp fingertip to achieve proper rotation. Make sure to assess comfort and clarity before moving on to the second eye. After both lenses are in, perform a quick vision and comfort check. Slight adjustment is normal, but persistent grittiness means reseating the lens is necessary. Make sure to follow manufacturer cleaning steps and replace solution daily to limit infection risk, and store lenses in fresh solution each night. If you experience pain, significant redness, or sustained blurred vision, remove the lens immediately and seek professional help. Early intervention prevents complications, so don't wait if symptoms worsen or do not resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.